Welcome to AeroSuite's Airport Workers Screening Program System platform. First, let's begin with importing assignments into your AeroSuite platform. First, click System Operation and then click Excel Upload, then select Assignment Excel Upload. Please fill in the Excel file you received from the download template. Please note that the cell format of each item in the Excel file should be in text format. Pressing the Upload button is just a simple upload request. The actual upload will be processed in the Utility page in the Excel Upload screen. Select the Utility and Excel Upload menu to check that the assignments have been uploaded. You will need to click the Refresh button to see the status change on the upload. The status that you want to see is Upload Complete under the Status column. Once the status shows Upload Complete, select the item you uploaded from the list. By pressing the Detail button, you can check if the Excel upload was successful or if there are any errors. Select the item you uploaded in the list, and by pressing the Apply button, you will change the status of the item to Data Transfer. You will need to press the Refresh button again to check that the status has been updated. Once the status shows Complete, the Excel upload request process is complete. Now go to the System Operation page and select Excel Upload. Then go to Assignment Excel Upload. Pressing the Apply button will register the assignments you uploaded as an actual assignment into the AeroSuite system. Imported and new created assignments can be viewed in the Scheduling page under Import Assignments menu, as well as the Assignment Gantt chart menu. To register a new assignment, first select the Assignment Gantt chart menu under the Scheduling menu tree. Under the Available tab to the top left of the page, you can see the schedule of the shift that have been created or imported. To create a new assignment, click on the New Assignment button to the top right of the page. A new assignment pop-up will emerge. Pick the start and end time first, and then choose the terminal, door, and team for this assignment. The door assignments will be linked to the terminal, so only the doors linked to that terminal will appear in the drop-down menu. Click the Apply button and the new assignment will be registered. A note to all users: only users with permission to create assignments can use this operation. Imported and created assignments can be modified and deleted by the user. Now let's move on to approving assignments. Under the Available tab, pick the assignment or assignments that you want to send to APD for approval. Once you click on Send to APD, the assignments will be directed to APD for approval or rejection. For the APD users, you can approve or reject assignments that were sent to APD for confirmation. Please log into the APD account first and select the Assignment Approval menu from the Scheduling menu tree. Please click the assignments you want to approve or reject and press the corresponding button to the top right. If you click Approve, it will update the number of approved assignments in the blue box above. If you click Reject, it will do the same to the orange box above. If you reject an assignment, you will need to type in a reason for the rejection. Click Save to complete the rejection. Select the Assignment Gantt chart under the Scheduling menu. If you select the Reject button in the same manner as you did in the Approve Assignment menu, you must enter a reason for the rejection, and the rejected assignment can be checked in the Reject tab. When you reject an assignment, that assignment is moved back to the Available tab. The user who has access to create and import assignments will select the Import Assignments menu from the Schedule menu tree, and they can see the list of approved or rejected items. Once the schedules have been approved, they will be sent to the dispatch teams for assignment dispatching and viewing. Now let's move on to the dispatching portion of AeroSuite Security Operations module. First, select the Dispatch menu from the main menu tree. You can select the desired assignments from the list using the checkboxes on the left side of the table and then press the Available Agent button. The Available Agents list will only populate when the screeners log in the AeroSuite app. Make your selection, then click the Assign button. The assigned count will be displayed with the total agents assigned, and the assigned status will change to assigned. If you click the assignment item and not the checkbox, you can review the agents that were assigned in the agent assignment list below and select to delete if needed. Once you are ready to dispatch, select the desired assignments from the list for the ones assigned using the checkbox and then press the Submit button to submit the temporarily saved assignments. Now let's move on to deviating an assignment. First, select the Dispatch menu item under the main menu tree. Select the desired assignment and click Available Agent to assign the agent for the specific assignment. Among the list, please select one or more agents and click Assign. The pop-up will now close and the status of the assignment will be changed to Assigned. Once the assignment is assigned to an agent, select the assignment using the checkbox and submit. Once submitted, hover over the Mark Deviation column of the assignment and an edit icon will appear. When you press this button, the Mark Deviation pop-up will come out. Choose the new door assignment under the Reassigned Door drop-down menu. Go to the Reason for Deviation section and choose one of the reasons in the drop-down menu, or choose Other and input the reason in the Reason for Detail box below. Press the Save button to perform the deviation. Once you have clicked Save, a push notification will be sent to the mobile app of the agents who was assigned to the corresponding assignment, and the screening can be performed from the mobile app on the reassigned door. In order to see the results of the deviation, select the Screening Details menu from the menu tree and click on the yellow box titled Deviation, and the table will filter to all deviations. Click on the screening detail item in the list, and in the agent screening list below, you can check the photos the screener took, access information, comments, and other pertinent data they have provided. Now let's move on to the Map page of AeroSuite. The Map menu has 3 tabs to help determine the location of the agents. Agents at location means the agents have started screening. You can set the map type using the top left button and select the map icon in the list on the right to move the map to each agent's location. You can also use the floor button at the bottom left to check the agents located on the specific floor that they have registered as in their mobile app. You can conduct a one-on-one chat with the agent by selecting the chat icon of the agent you want to chat with from the list on the right. Also, in the Agents en route tab, you can accept the assigned door and check the moving agent. Available agents means that the agents have logged into their mobile's devices but have not accepted an assignment yet. Now moving on to the Screening Details page of AeroSuite. The first tab in the Screening Details menu is the Completed tab, where you can check which assignments have been completed. When you select one screening list item, the screening details are shown in the agent screening list below. Below you can select the photos uploaded by the agent and you can check them individually. The Screening tab displays the assignments that are currently being screened or that needs to be completed. The Deviation tab shows the list of deviation assignments as a list. The Incident tab shows screening logs that are marked as an incident, and you can check each of the items. Moving on to the Reports section of AeroSuite. First, the Screening Reports is a menu where you can check all reports related to screening. Select a single date or a date range or search by agent's name, and then click the Search button. The data will come out based on the selected date criteria and the selected agent's name if provided. Click the Download button and you can download data in Excel format. The second report is the Agent Performance Report, which is a report where you can check on the agent's performance. Select a single date or a date range and click on the Search button. Data will be presented based on the selected date or date range. click the download button and you can download data in Excel format. Open the Excel file to see the data. The third report is the assignment deviation report, where you can check all the reports of deviated assignments. Select a single date or a date range and click on the search button. Data will be presented based on the selected date or date range. Click the download button and you can download data in Excel format. Open the Excel file to see the data. Let's move on to the chat feature in AeroSuite. The chat menu has two tabs. Contact tab displays list of contacts registered on the platform. The contact list will be filtered with people currently online at the top and those logged out on the bottom. Users can conveniently browse through the list or utilize the search functions to find specific contacts efficiently. This feature enables communication and connection with other users within the platform. The Chat tab displays the history of conversations with other users. Users can access and review all the chat history here. Next is My Profile. First, select the My Profile menu in the menu tree. And click the photo uploading area, where you can drag, drop, or select a profile picture. Once you upload the picture, the photo review will be visible. Once you are satisfied, click the Save button. Now let's move on to the dashboard section of AeroSuite. The home menu page is the main page by default. Select a date or a date range and click Search to see all the graphs based on that date. You can analyze total screening hours per week, total hours per day, total screening hours per door, total incidents per day, and total throughput per day charts. Select a date or a date range and click Search to see all the graphs based on that date. Select Full Screen to see the dashboard in full screen mode. You can see the data as a table format if you select the data option. Lastly, the export option allows you to choose between three formats to export the data: PDF, image, and Excel. Select Export and ensure that the data is correct. In the dashboard menu in the menu tree, you can check the total and average values of the data from the main dashboard. Select a date and click the search button to check data for that date. Total missed assignments, average weekly screening hours, total scheduled screening hours, total actual screening hours, total doors managed, average incident percentage, total incidents, and total throughput are the data that will be presented. After checking the results, you can download the data in three various formats such as image, PDF, and Excel. Thank you for using AeroSuite, the airport resource planning platform designed for the airports of tomorrow.